The internet has revolutionized the way we work. Gone are the days of traditional job searches. Freelance marketplaces have emerged as powerful platforms. They connect skilled professionals with clients worldwide. This new landscape offers incredible opportunities. It empowers individuals to become their own bosses. They can design their ideal work-life balance. But this world also comes with competition. To succeed, freelancers need to stand out. They need to market themselves effectively. This starts with understanding the dynamics of these online platforms. It also means consistently delivering high-quality work. Your profile is your online storefront. It's the first impression you make on potential clients. A well-crafted profile can be the deciding factor. It can make the difference between securing a project or getting lost in the crowd. Start with a clear professional headshot. Use a concise and compelling headline that highlights your expertise. Your bio should tell your story. It should showcase your personality and passion for what you do. Remember to list your skills prominently. Don't forget to include your experience and certifications. This adds credibility and builds trust with potential clients. Keep your profile updated. Regularly add new projects and skills. This demonstrates that you're active and in demand. A strong portfolio is non-negotiable in the freelance world. It's your chance to prove your capabilities. It allows you to demonstrate your skills through tangible examples of your work. When creating your portfolio, choose projects that highlight your best skills. Select those that align with your desired niche. For each project, provide a brief description. Outline the problem you solved, your approach, and the results achieved. High-quality visuals are crucial. They can instantly grab a client's attention. Consider offering free consultations or discounted rates on initial projects. This can be a great way to build your portfolio. It also allows you to gain valuable client testimonials. Remember, your portfolio is a living document. Continuously update it with your latest and greatest work. This keeps your profile fresh. It also demonstrates your commitment to growth in your field. Actively bidding on projects is crucial for freelancers. This means regularly checking job boards for new opportunities. It requires tailoring proposals to each client's specific needs. When you find a project that interests you, take the time to understand the client's requirements. Research their background and previous work. In your proposal, clearly articulate how your skills and experience align with their needs. Highlight relevant projects from your portfolio. Don't be afraid to showcase your personality. Let your passion shine through. Price competitively. Consider offering different package options to cater to varying budgets. Follow up with clients after submitting your proposal. This demonstrates your genuine interest in the project. Building relationships is key in the freelance world.